Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have basic gear. Mount your phone securely and put the helmet on. Open Waze now because waiting wastes time. Enter the destination and tap Go. Waze defaults to driving, so mentally flag bike-friendly options and preview turns. Once done, glance at the route overview to note major turns and hazards. Make sure to start navigation while stationary. Do not program while moving. You'll hear voice prompts and see clear arrows. Trust them, but stay aware of bike-only constraints and local. You're riding now. Follow turn-by-turn voice prompts and only glance at the screen when it's safe. Use one-handed quick map gestures at stoplights to zoom or preview the next turn. When you spot a hazard, tap Report and choose the correct icon. This keeps others safe and updates your route. If Waze suggests a reroute, decide quickly. Accept if the new path is bike-compatible, otherwise stick to your judgment. Keep volume balanced, so voice alerts are audible over traffic and wind. You've reached the destination. Stop navigation and secure your bike. Once stopped, save the route or destination as a favorite so you don't repeat setup next time. Make sure to log any notes about tricky turns or hazards for future rides. If the app loses voice prompts, first check Bluetooth connections, then your phone's media volume and Waze microphone/speaker permissions. If the problem persists, force close and reopen Waze. This simple restart often restores audio and live updates quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.